Ryan's got our full forecast now. And Ryan, it sounds like today might be the pick of the week.
Oh, yeah. Not even a question in my mind. I almost feel bad having to talk about how cloudier and cooler it will be tomorrow.
Yeah, so many changes coming here.
So enjoy today.
Right. They pay me to predict the future, though, so we have to talk about it.
That means we can talk about today.
Right,
you can
exactly.
talk about the bad stuff.
We will start with what it's like outside right now. Sebec Lake, Dover, Foxcroft, 64 degrees. Lots of sunshine. You can obviously see a little water layer on top of the ice there on the lake. We have hit 65 already in Portland. That is one shy of the record for this date set back in 2016. We've broken a long-standing record in Bangor back to 77. That was 62, already 65. And in Augusta, we've tied the record for the date at 64. 68 in Freiburg, Sanford, you're at 66. I do think some parts of western Maine will hit 70. A few of the backyard thermometers already have. Change is coming, though. It's colder over Van Buren, back to Madawaska, and that's a cold front. That's going to come south tonight. And on the other side of this front, there will be more clouds. It's going to be much colder, and there will be some precipitation tomorrow. But enjoy the next 12 hours. Again, some of you, especially away from the ocean, make a run up towards 70 degrees for a couple hours today. This is midnight tonight. So this is a pretty strong high to our north, and it sends that cold air down. So by midnight tonight, the cold front is coming through the state, already below freezing in northern Maine, 30s through the central highlands, 40s to around 50 to the south. There will be a few showers that come through late tonight into first thing tomorrow morning. Doesn't look like there's much total precipitation, but there will be a lot of low cloud cover, a little drizzle out there too. I'm not too concerned about icy spots tomorrow morning. There could be a few up around Dover, Foxcroft, Greenville, maybe Lincoln too. But to the south, their temperatures should be mainly above freezing. And also during the day this time of the year, the March sun can still kind of get through the clouds. So I don't think there are too many travel issues during the day tomorrow. That will start to change, though, by tomorrow evening. Anywhere near and north of Route 2, and especially north of about Lincoln, we will have a period of sleet and freezing rain that comes through tomorrow night, with even some snow right across the northern border. And there probably is some mixing that may even get into the Oxford Hills by tomorrow evening. To the south, though, temperatures are above freezing. Whatever comes through is just in the form of plain old liquid rain. But to the north tomorrow night, it's probably going to be pretty nasty for a few hours. And by Thursday morning, we have one more round of showers. This is with a cold front, and we'll dry it out Thursday afternoon. Could briefly hit 50 in southern Maine, but that would be it on Thursday. Winter storm watches up for about the northern third of the state. That's where there will be a pretty big impact from sleet, freezing rain, and some snow, with I think the worst travel conditions being late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Hopefully we get more sleet, because freezing rain would bring more of a power outage concern to northern Maine. The trends are maybe for a little bit more sleet, and that would be good. Again, notice to the south there's little, if any, wintry precipitation, though. You really have to be near and north of Route 2 up into northern Maine. We all do have a better chance, though, of some wintry precipitation Friday night. That's with a little clipper system that could bring a round of snow to the area. So you can clearly see today by far stands out as the warmest of the next 7 days. Tomorrow cloudy, colder. I think that if you're south of Route 2, odds are pretty good during the day. It's just whatever you get is in the form of rain. Could be a few more slick spots that develop tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, though, even a bit south of Route 2. And then Friday, we'll watch the next chance for snow, which is Friday night, early Saturday, followed by what may be another warm-up early next week, but not to the level we are now, and that looks like it comes with some rain. So, guys, the only good thing is we have 6 hours of daylight left here at 12:50.
You were right, though. There's a lot going on the rest of the week.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.